Hello YouTube. Welcome to part 4 of the video tutorial firstly. Secondly, we've run into a couple of problems. I was going to show you in this video how to install the power supply, but all the screws I have were not thick enough to go through this perspex. That was problem number 1. Problem number 2 is that I didn't have enough screws for the motherboard to put the side panel on and to put the hard drives and CD drives in. So that screwed that idea up. So it's going to be a little bit more difficult than I thought, but we'll get around to it. Anyway, after that long introduction, let's keep going with part 4. First things first is how to install the graphics card. Get off. Now all you have to do is basically make sure that the silver part here with all the output connectors are facing towards the outside of the case, like so. It's sitting in the case like that, and locate the PCIe slot and put it in. You gotta love having to jam things together, don't you? Locate it in. And just press it down like so. Let me try and get a good angle of it. Like so, so there's no gold bit showing. And then you'll screw, or you would screw, that there, this hole here, into there. Okay. Take this out so I can lay it flat. Now also to pull it out, there's a little, on this one here anyway, there's a little lever you pull back before you can pull it out. I guess it's just a safety feature so people aren't just yanking the graphics cards out while the computer's running and breaking them. Oh, Christ, come on. There we go. Now for hard drives and CD drives. The CD drive here uses SATA interface. So what you do is firstly you'll get a SATA cable. Come on. Okay. Now it'll be like a straight line with a little notch on one end. So basically you just line that up, clip it in, then on your power supply there will be a SATA power cable here, somewhere here, yes, no. Where is it? Oh yes, okay, here it is. And all you'll do, just 1 minute, let me put the camera down, we'll do it this way. It's easier. Okay. Once again, it's the same as the SATA cable, but longer. And that just goes in there. Come on. Come on. There. In there like that. Get the other end. And that's basically it. Then what you'll do is you won't unplug these, but just for quality and demonstration purposes, just remove one drive bay cover. Okay, the other end. You move one drive bay cover and slide it in. We really don't like the look of that there. And you'll line it up. Hang on. Okay, I did not think this one through. But yeah, anyway, you line up these holes here and screw them in. And once again, I don't have any screws thick enough to go through this perspex, so that's what happens, I guess, when you're stingy out on a case that your boss gives to you because he decides he doesn't want it. So yeah, you just screw them in, and that's optical drive done. Exactly the same deal with the hard drive. What else was there? Next video will be on how to hook up this mess of cables to here to get power to the computer.